Okay, so in our last one we talked about we have our list view right here. This is our list view. Let's go ahead and build. Okay, there we go. And all this has dynamic information from this model and the method right here, boxer list, boxers, and it populates this list view. If you're confused about what's going on, go to the video right before this. And yes, it explains it. Okay, but now we want to go to a detail view and we want to display the data. Okay, which is simple, right? Let's go back here. What we need to do is this detail view. This right here is an instantiation of the view, detail view, which is actually right here, right? As you can see, since this is a struct, if you guys pay attention, have checked out my videos on structs and classes, when you add a property to it and that property isn't been given a value, you have to create an initializer. And these initializers are usually set here, right? So and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Again, if this is confusing you, you have to go back and check out my videos on structs and initializers. But I'm going to explain it simply right here. So right here, what I want to do is I want to create a view. And well, first of all, let's do this. This is where our information is going to be displayed, right? I'm going to say vstack, okay? vstack, and text should be this should be the boxer. So let me go back here and check this real quick. We want to have the name of the boxer and the video title, okay? Or video title and the name of the boxer, right? So text, right? I want to have the video title. I'm just gonna put video title, video title, video title, and beneath it, I'm going to put a spacer, and the spacer is only going to be spacer should be I should say frame, right? Height, height. I'm gonna make it 20, okay? And then this should say text, right? Text, okay, and boxer name, okay? So now we have this right here. Let me go back here and make sure everything looks static. I'm going to rebuild, right? Right, and so when we drill down, video title, boxer name. Now, how are we going to pass the values, right? Well, we'll have to pass one object. Go back here to detail view, right? Create a property, var boxer, right? Is of type boxer. That's it. Okay. And now you see the errors, right? So when you have your preview, what you want to do is you have to set a default value, right? So what I'm going to do is add the missing parameter, right? Oh, sorry. Missing parameter, boxer, and just as some dummy information, I'm going to set this as I'm going to set it as just some basic information, a boxer, which is the first item in the boxer list, right? So boxer list dot boxers, right? 0. Okay. Now I have this, but when I go back to the list, guess what? I should have an error here, right? Because DetailView should need parameters. Let me, yeah, there it goes. You see, it failed. So what I need to do is right here, right? Boxer list, right? And what I should be passing to it is this boxer right here. See, right, boxer. That's what I'm passing to it. So now when I build, or even better yet, when I go here, right? I'm sorry, let me go back here, views and detail list, right? See, I have this right here, okay? Right? Now when I build, right? Okay, so now I'm not getting it. So let me see something. Well, one thing that I can do, right, is right, put the boxer in here, boxer dot video title. And in the next one, I can say boxer dot name, right? And that's where, yeah. And as you see, this kind of shows it with the default stuff, right? Of course, you can clean it up, right? So let's go ahead and clean it up a little bit so that let's go ahead and clean it up a little bit so this looks a little better. Or not, I think I don't want to waste too much time. You guys kind of get an idea of what's going on. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to build. Right. Go here. And there you go. Go back here. See Mike Tyson. There. Let's see Thomas Hearns. So yeah, so now you have a list and it goes down to a detail view, and I showed you how to pass the value. And now let's go ahead and we'll talk about in the next video we're going to talk about generating I guess embedding a YouTube video and maybe some problems that Swift is having, right? Because I think that well, let's just get to the next video and we will discuss that. On to the next.